Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we have a little bit of a fun unboxing planned for you. In my hand, I have Pikachu from Pokemon, and I think this is pronounced Eevee from Pokemon, and it goes for the game, the Let's Go game, that is for the Nintendo Switch. Boom! Here it is, right here. Nintendo Switch. I haven't played my Switch in a couple months, so I'm excited to get back into it. I absolutely love Pokemon. I grew up on Pokemon, so this game is a little special for me.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
As I don't know much about the contents of these two boxes, I am extremely eager to get into them and start to check it out. I'm going to start with Pikachu because that's the one that I probably favor the most of all of the Pokemon. So let's go ahead. Let's just cut this while we can so we can put the unboxing Swiss Army knife away. And here we go. Dun dun dun! This is the moment that we have been waiting for. Pikachu!
Pikachu?
It's in the box. We got the Pikachu Pokemon game. So this is the Let's Go Pikachu. We also got a Pokeball. Now they were also selling additional Pokeballs. I didn't know if I needed one. I did not get one. The guy at Best Buy, which is where I purchased this, assured me this is all I needed. I didn't get another one, which probably safe to assume that the contents are identical to what's in here, except that this is an Eevee game, which I don't know the difference between a Pikachu game and an Eevee game. So we are going to get started and rip into the Pikachu game. So here's the game. Here is our Pokeball. It looks like I keep having to open up the unboxing knife. Here it is. What? I have to charge it? It comes with a USB-C. Oh, USB-C. Good job, Nintendo. Just like the Switch is charged USB-C, so is this. Okay. I just had a level of excitement swell up in me like nothing I've ever experienced. Like I'm getting chills through my whole body right now. I legit am holding a Pokeball. What? Technology has advanced in such a way that I now am holding a real life Pokeball. And I'm gonna go catch them all. Okay, so it wants me to actually pair this to my actual Nintendo Switch. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll be right back. We'll see what happens. Guys, I'm back from my game room where I play my games, which is why I call it the game room. Connected this to my console and it synced up. It paired seamlessly. Thank you, Nintendo. Big thumbs up from me to you, making it easy. Learning from Apple integration. This is a controller. It's what it is. It's a controller. I'm so excited. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're about to have some fun. That's what's gonna happen. Stick around. I'm gonna play, show you a little bit of the game, and then give me my initial thoughts. That's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, without getting too far into the game, because I really haven't had a chance to do that yet, got a Pokeball! I got a Pokeball. I gotta go catch them all. That's what I gotta do. I'm so excited about this game. I can't really sit here and play it all day and record it because it's just too intense, but I'm gonna go put it in the console. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna play on it, and then I'm gonna actually get a good gaming review for you guys. Don't usually do gaming stuff. I am a gamer. I leave it on the back end. Don't usually bring it over into my tech reviews or my channel, but here's that fun place for myself where technology and gaming cross, which I guess they don't really cross. Gaming is technology and technology is gaming. Just for me and my channel, this is the first time you're seeing it. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, I don't care. It makes sense to me. I'm super excited. So far, the user interface is like all other RPGs when it comes to the Nintendo Switch. Very much like Zelda, Breath of the Wild, which I love that game as well. I'm going to spend probably the rest of this evening playing this exact game. And then maybe tomorrow, if I have time, I'll go ahead. If I've been able to play it enough to get a proper review, I'll get you a proper review, or at least a first impressions of the game. So far, this is revolutionary for me. It's one of the coolest games I've ever seen. It comes with a Pokeball. When I tell you I watched Pokemon religiously as a child, I can't express to you enough how much I love Pokemon. So I'm really excited about this game. I'm kind of geeking out over here. Like I wish I could say my inner nerd, but I kind of wear my nerd on the outside, not on the inside. So I'm just kind of a big nerd everywhere. For the Love of Tech is always doing a giveaway in the description below. Bing! Right down there, there's a Gleam link. Click on it, enter, have some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we love you. And if you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Either way, give me a thumbs up. That was weird. Don't be weird like Aaron. Aaron's weird. Closed caption is brought to you by rev.com. That's right, rev.com. Videos that have closed caption typically are more searchable, are more accessible international, and opens up your videos to the American Sign Language community. Big thumbs up for that. In the description below, there is a link that you can click on to get a $10 coupon on your first closed captioning order. Go under your bed, go in your closet, go behind your refrigerator, go in your garage, go in the trunk of your car. If you have a car, pull out those old electronics that they're not being used anymore. Dust them off, shine them up, give them to someone that doesn't have them, and for the love of tech, put a smile on someone's face. Namaste.